Hi Eric. So I have this user, and this user has restricted access enabled, and as per my knowledge, this user is only available in this particular tenant. When I try to log in for this particular user, I tried all the cases, and in all cases I'm getting expected results, like getting that message, restriction message on login screen itself. But for this particular user, I'm getting this message on this 2FA screen. Sign in is restricted. Please visit login page and try again with Google or Microsoft login. So if I try the same, I'll go to the 2FA code, and here I'm getting that message. This is the only user, for this particular user only I'm getting message on 2FA screen. For other users where the user is part of multiple tenants and one of the tenant doesn't have access, both the tenant doesn't have access, I'm getting the messages on the first screen itself, that is login. But for this particular user, I'm getting message on 2FA enter code. So if you can investigate and let me know if the case is something different, then it would be helpful for me to understand it better. Thank you.